Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Finally, I'm gonna make you some reviews regarding the Superman movie. I watched this last week and 28, 29, 30, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 days. After 9 days, I'm gonna give you a review because during that time I wasn't able to have on it because I'm some kind of a tired and I have my uploads to be. I have videos to upload. Videos to upload. Sorry, guys. And before we start, shout out to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpass. Shout out to my mother, the Bicol Fe Abordo. To Helen Carreta, my childhood friend. Hi. Officer Rock, of course. And special shout out, big shout out to Ate Tabita. Hi, Ate Tabita. I already shout you out on my videos that I made this past few days. So please watch on it, okay? And since that this is going to upload right now, that's why I shout you out. Thank you for watching, okay? Stay tuned and Godspeed. And before we start, I just want to give you some names of the cast who been here in this movie. Of course, David Coren Sweet. Hi. How are you? Love you. Gosh. Oh, I'm flying. And then Nicholas Hoult, wherein he played Lex Luthor. Who's this? Rachel Brosnahan. Brosnahan. Correct me if I'm wrong. Wherein she played Lois Lane. And Nathan Fillion, who played Green Lantern. Miley Alcock, wherein she played Supergirl, the cousin of Superman. Isabella Merced, she's the Hawk girl here. And Nemia Gabriela. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Namia. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. Maria Gabriela De Farion. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Wherein she played the engineer. You know what? This is a powerhouse cast, and aside from Superman, because I'm used to have the Superman wherein there's only a one villain or two, and then he doesn't have any sidekick or whatever. By this time, aside from the superheroes that aside from those superheroes who joined Superman, he also have a super dog. That's why. You know what? For me, this Superman 2025 is the biggest and then the great franchise that the DC Comics ever made. But I am more have a crush to Brandon Routh and who's this, the other one, Man of Steel. Oh gosh, I forgot. Who's the one in Man of Steel? Oh gosh, guys, please help me. Oh gosh, I forgot. The Man of Steel. No, that's Eric Bana. It's. Oh gosh. Anyway, I'll just put it on the comment. Brandon Routh, Superman Returns. They are more having a sex appeal, and then from start to finish, guys and girls, I really love this movie because no boring scenes, no dull moments, and heart pounding, and lots of heartaches, lots of heart wrenching scenes. And then there's one thing that I will always remember for this one because there are lots of moral lessons, and one thing that I have bear in my mind was what you are doing to your life. This is not the exact lines that the one of the actor told to Superman that whatever things that you are doing to your life, it will reflect on yourself. See, although I know that already, and so always be good and do not be some kind of a bad one, okay? And then the fighting scenes are so great. It's really looks like real, the flying scenes, and then they added other scenes that will the moviegoers will feel feel great on watching this film. Lots of entertaining ones, and you know what? Even though Superman been beaten here many times, but he is the most powerful Superman who ever had the role for of it. And then what else? There are lots of high end, not high end. What's this? There are lots of oh, hold on, give me some time. Lots of different kind of scenes that I have ever seen on other compared to other Superman, because it's a high tech ones, guys and girls, and you will be amazed for this one. So for me, Superman 2025 is not that kind of really great, but this is a masterpiece of DC. And there's one thing that there's one thing that I should have to say. Oh gosh, I forgot. Guys, please forgive me. What's this? It's in my mind and it's my tongue. I forgot also. You know what? What I don't really like the Superman costume is only this one. Because it's like I don't know, just so simple. But they already changed the logo design, and then his suit. So it's some kind of different. I still love the Brandon Ruth, and shucks, I forgot the Man on Steel. Oh gosh, it's in my mind, it's in my tongue. And you know what? Superman is. Yeah, now I remember. For me, no other superhero will defeat Superman, because he is not because he's one of the oldest, not oldest. He's one of the pioneering superhero that we've watched on the movies, that we have watched on the big screen. But I think Superman will be the king of superheroes for me, on my opinion. And it's still smashing on the box office. What else? So there will be I think there will be a part 2 for this one. And the acting wise, I really love them, especially Lex Luthor. So this is a highly recommended to each everyone. Okay, that will be all for now. Bye for now. Shucks, I forgot the other one. Okay, and I ask somebody for. Okay, I'm gonna Google it. Okay, sorry. Man of Steel. Oh gosh, I forgot. Bye for now.